Alright, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be learning how to install the Capcut video editing app on Windows PC. Alright, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to open our browser and then we search Capcut download. Enter key. So the first website that will open will be the official website of the Capcut app. So that's where we want to click. Wait for it to load. Still loading. Still loading. So once it's finished loading, we want to click download for free. For free. And then to start downloading automatically. And once it finishes downloading, we want to open the file directly for installation to start. We want to minimize our browser. Wait for the installation to finish. So now our installation is now complete, so we can confirm it. And then Capcut will open and we agree to the terms and services. I'm sure I read them before, so it will be better if you go through them and you read them, agree, and then our Capcut is here. Now we've successfully installed Capcut on our PC Windows. Now if you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.